How to fix Xbox One series mic not working. To troubleshoot a non-functional microphone on your Xbox Series X or S, you could start by following these steps. First of all, make sure that make sure your headset or mic is fully plugged into the controller or control. If you're using a wireless headset, ensure it's properly paired and not experiencing any connection issue as well. The other thing you could do is power cycle console, that is, unplug the console from the power source for a few seconds, then plug it back in. This can resolve temporary software glitch that may be interfering with the microphone as well. If not, you could also verify microphone settings. Now go to the settings and go to general, then go to audio output and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Ensure that microphone is not mute, and it might also be with a specific game. So for that, some games have a separate audio settings where the microphone can be enabled or disabled. Check the game's option for microphone settings as well. If not, you could also try updating the controller. For that, you simply want to go to settings and then go to the device and accessories, then go to controller. Select the controller and choose update controller to ensure it's running the latest firmware. This is how you could do it, or else try with the different device and see whether the issue is with the device itself or maybe a microphone. And you could also try replacing it with a different one if you have it, or contacting a support team would be an essential way to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.